Vivo has launched its new flagship devices under X series in China called Vivo X60 and X60 Pro. Both of these devices looks quite identical but are different in terms of specifications. And among these two, the Vivo X60 Pro is the higher variant with more features. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo X60 Pro supports a curved 6.56-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with HDR10 Plus support and 120Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Exynos 1080 chipset paired with Mali G78 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the camera, the Vivo X60 Pro features a ZAS-powered quad camera setup on the rear and a rectangular module at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The quad camera includes 48MP main camera with OIS 4-axis support for anti-shake video recording, plus 13MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 120° field of view, plus another 13MP portrait lens with f2.4 aperture, plus 8MP periscope lens with 5x optical zoom support. For selfies, it has an 32MP camera under the hole punch with f2.45 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with Origin OS skin on top. The device comes equipped by 4200 mAh battery that supports 33W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 158.57 by 73.24 by 7.69 mm and it weighs around 178 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo X60 Pro has been priced in China at 4,498 Chinese yuan. And the smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in grey and Huakai color options. And the smartphone is set to go on sale starting from January 8th. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo X60 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSoulBlog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.